Kampe poser jakam korni song. Trenchin pa mi lobsa semli yo. Dropo zambi tamjan zintan ro. Den kampa me jinchali. Ya kampa poser.
Hello everybody, greetings from Rome, New York, and currently I'm traveling towards the west, on I-90, and it is a pretty decent day, not too cold, but right now it's starting snowing a little bit and very windy here in upstate New York, and at the moment I am dealing with some valve failure, which is air dryer valve. It's called purge valve. It's not shutting off when it's reached the 120 psi. It started keep building the air. So I think the purge valve is either too old or it is dry. It's not moving up and down when it needs to be. That's why it's building up air too much. Sometimes, when the purge valve is not good, it won't build air because it will leak. But and in this case, it's not causing not building the air. It's building air too much. Finally, we met here at the delivery. It took 5 hours and 30 minutes from Avon, Massachusetts. And hopefully they are not busy tonight to unload the trailer though. So this morning here in Syracuse, I removed the purge valve. It was a lot of debris, the black ones like this, and it's really dirty. And then I fucked up this nail, so we're going to remove this nail and probably go to Pride Fleet somewhere, try to buy it. If not, we're gonna clean it up and let's see how it works. So purge valve is really dirty. And I broke this nail. I find that I can move it out. So Uber is taking too long to get here, and the Pride Fleet is only like 13 minutes to walk, and to wait Uber is like 14 minutes. So I prefer just walk there with exercise, pump up my blood a little bit, and grab that part, come back. So it's just win-win, you know what I mean? So yeah, so right now on my way to get that part. Hopefully they have it, and another nut, and we're gonna hit the road back, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's get it. Wait. Cool little car. Here it is. So we bought the part. Brake cleaner, clean up these greases in the air filter. And this is the part. This cost me like only $75, So right now I'm on my way back. It's almost there. It says Box B1 pest control. Do you see that ants? Alright, we got the parts. It's brand new. And this is the old one. So we're missing one seal here too. So I'm not sure where I dropped that. Oh, it's inside the air filter. I'm not sure. This is grease. This is the valve itself. So the biggest one go all the way in the bottom. And then the second one. And then the third one. Then we have 3 bolts. Okay, so same thing, but missing one seal on this. So we're gonna go down there and see. And we're gonna go down there and now we're gonna put the grease. Before we do that, we're gonna clean up the mount area because a lot of grease there. Everybody, so it is the next day.